Hello everyone. Today you are going to learn some grammar topic which is the unless, uses of unless. You know what is the unless? Unless is equal to if not. એટલે ગુજરાતીમાં અર્થ થાય જો નહીં તો અથવા જ્યાં સુધી ત્યાં સુધી નહીં. For example, if you do not work hard, you can't succeed. So uses unless we can make sentence like this also. Unless you work hard, you can't succeed. જો તમે સખત મહેનત નહીં કરો તો તમે સફળ થશો નહીં. Second example, if you don't run fast, you can't catch the bus. Unless you run fast, you can't catch the bus. જો તમે ઝડપથી નહીં દોડો તો તમે બસ પકડી નહીં શકો. Third example, if you are not careful, he will cheat you. Unless you are careful, he will cheat you. જો તમે સાવચેત નહીં રહો તો તે તમને છેતરશે. If you are making such more examples using unless, then leave it in the comment. Till then, peace friends.